What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. Welcome back to another day in the life with Speedy Gons. Today, we're installing this JB1 from Burger Motorsports behind me, and I know what you're thinking, but let's get started. Alright, so with getting started, all you want to do, take off the engine bay. All you got to do is say the magic word. Alright, so now in all seriousness, all it really is I'll show you just some clips, just gently pry up and just pop the engine bay cover right off. Alright, so as simple as this install is, I lifted up this plastic piece. As you can see, I had Velcro right here and then used some tape to mount the JB1 here. Ran the cord underneath this weather stripping, and I'll show you guys in a bit. Through here and then underneath the engine bay cover, and then over here the first connection is to this map sensor, and I'll show you how simple it is to get that off. And then the second connection is down here. Hopefully you guys can see this, but it is this T-map sensor right here. Alright, so with getting this first map sensor out, all I did was I just took a small flathead screwdriver. It's probably easier to push back this lining, but just pry from the back and just lift up the tab and it'll just slide right out. And then obviously as simple as taking the new connection, plugging that in to the OEM harness, and then re-plugging in the JB1 into this original connector, and it's as simple as that. And then same deal with the T-map sensor right on the charge pipe. It's as simple as that as well, but this one's a little bit more difficult since you don't really have that much room down there. But looking on the JB1, it's as simple as just prying these little tabs, pulling out the old connection, plugging in the new connection, and then plugging it in to the charge pipe T-map sensor. And yeah, just like that, you have a plug and play tune. So make sure you want to mount that, maybe use some tape, or I mean the Velcro is fine, whatever you want to do. It's really just up to your discretion there. Then route this, put everything back nicely, and make sure it's nice and snug underneath the engine bay cover. And just like that, you have a plug and play JB1 tune. This is a good, starting option if your car is still stock for the M235i engine. And it really is that simple. It took not even 5 minutes. Solid plug and play option. So yeah, like I mentioned, I want to make this video strictly for informative reasons. I obviously have boot mode stage 1, so I will not be using this. Like I said, this is for sale, but I wanted to make this video just for informative reasons, like I mentioned, being that it's a little bit easier to follow a video format where it's just easier to see. Like I mounted the JB1 here, ran the cables around here, plug it into the map sensor there, go into the T-map sensor on the charge pipe, and it's as simple as that. So Burger Motorsports does have some directions on their website, but obviously a video format's a little bit easier to follow along. So yeah, super simple. Alright, so as we hop on the Burger Motorsports website, go over to BMW, scroll down to Series F22, and Stage 1 BMW Performance Tuner. So this is what we got, the JB1 for the N55, 2014 and newer. So I'll go along with you. This plug and play tuner attaches to two easy access sensors, the map sensor and the T-map sensor, which I showed you in the engine bay, and works with your factory DME tuning to remap your boost, timing, and fueling for optimal performance and reduced turbo lag. It features a 64 MHz processor, allowing sensors to be sampled 800 times per second using dedicated 10-bit digital to analog converters, ensuring smooth and powerful performance. The same box automatically detects whether you have an N20, an N55, or an S55 motor based on the T-map sensor voltage and adjusts the tuning accordingly. So yeah, like I said, the JB1 is for sale. It is a great starting option for, if your car is stock, if you don't want to avoid your warranty. It's simple as plug and play, use it when necessary, and if you gotta go to the dealership for any work, take it right out. BMW will have no idea, being that it is a huge concern of most people with tuning options if they don't want to avoid their warranty. This is a beautiful starting option to go stage 1 on your stock BMW. So like I said, if you're interested, hit me up on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.